Well, hey, it's Thursday, July 30th. Taking a walk around the neighborhood, trying to get a little exercise. It's around 11:30 in the morning. Usually it's about a 2-mile walk. See what we can see. I usually take a camera with me, take some pictures of things I see, maybe birds or flowers, that type of thing. I'm videoing this with my GoPro Hero 8 Black, just walking at a normal pace. But I also have an Olympus TG-6. I have that in my pocket here, and this is the Olympus TG-6. I like this camera because of the macro capabilities. For photos, it's really not the greatest in my opinion, but I didn't buy it for that. So on the way back, I'm gonna stop off at a kind of a little lake area where there's some small fish, and I'm gonna see if I can put the camera in there and get some underwater pictures. And I'm also gonna see if I can use the GoPro as well and stick that in the water. So we'll see how that works. Well, here I'm still on my walk. Behind me is Spring Lake. There are some houses that front the lake, but it's not a very big lake, but it's pretty scenic. And I just saw a cormorant that was swimming, diving for fish. So I'm going to keep walking. Now, there's going to be a dam up ahead. I'm going to stop and I'll show you that. But let's keep walking here, and I'll show you, I guess, the up ahead. Go up this road, maybe about a quarter mile, half mile, we'll get to the dam and the lake. Nice view, and I'll stop there and show you a little bit more. Well, here I am coming down the hill, reaching the lake. I'm going to walk down here, but I'll show you a picture of it. Up ahead is the dam. It's a really small dam, but here is the lake. Pretty scenic lake. It's called Spring Lake. See down there's some lilies. So let's sometimes I walk down here with my net and capture some insects, dragonflies, butterflies. I didn't bring that today. Let's see, let's take a look. Here I'm walking up to on top of the dam here. Lake's over to my left. It's getting a little bit warm though. Get in the shade. I'm going to stop here on top of the dam, kind of get a good bird's eye view of the lake. Turn the camera so you can see the lake. Very scenic. You can see there's a cormorant out there swimming and diving for fish. This is Spring Lake. I'm going to take a picture. Well, I walked down to this little area where the water from the lake is over there, comes through this pipe, this drainage pipe, as you can see right here, and it goes over to another lake I can't remember the name, but it kind of, there's a weir on the other side of the dam. I need to make my way up the hill here, somewhat steep, and we'll continue with the walk. Thought I might could stick this in the water here and catch some fish, but the water's pretty brown and cloudy. The other area that I'm gonna try is much clearer looking. So let's walk back up this steep grade here. Also kind of testing out the GoPro in less than ideal walking conditions. Haven't had a lot of experience using this. Let's see how the stabilization is going to work. So let's keep walking. Right, I've come to this other little small area that borders a lake. Usually see some fish down here, so I'm going to try to stick my GoPro down here and see if I can capture some fish. Let me show you. So this is the area. Well, I'm on my way back home. I stuck the GoPro in the kind of water in the lake, get a video of the little minnows or the small fish. Also stuck the Olympus TG-6 in there. That one seemed to have a little bit more problems, but I could use live view and see what the screen looked like. There may be a way to do that with the GoPro. app, I haven't messed around with that either. Looks like the GoPro was a little bit easier to use, and seems like the video might be a little bit clearer, but I'll kind of find out and know for sure once I get back home, load this up into Adobe Premiere Elements 14 and process the video. But we'll see what it looks like. This was just a test. I never used the GoPro nor the Olympus TG-6 underwater, so I think I'll be trying this out a little bit more in other circumstances and situations.